Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set double tap to turn on screen in your phone Moto G04. Lock your screen, and if you double tap on the locked screen, screen will be turned on. Okay, but here it is not turned on because settings is not turned on. Okay, so if you want to activate double tap to turn on the screen, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings, then go to gestures, and here select jump to lock screen option and turn on this button, jump to lock screen. Now lock your phone and double tap on the locked screen. Screen will be waked up. Okay, and lock screen is now open. So in this way you can easily turn on double tap to turn on the screen in your phone Moto G04. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.